Hello friends, today's hack is on the technical side. Y'all must have already guessed it seeing the thumbnail of this video. I'm sure many of y'all must be having these following questions running in your mind. Is my PAN and Aadhaar card linked? If it's not linked, how do I get to link it? Where do I check the link status of my PAN and Aadhaar card? And do I fall under the category of exempted persons from linkage of PAN and Aadhaar card? Well, all these questions I will be answering through this video. So, stay along. You'll have to visit this website. I'll leave the link in the description box. On this, you'll get the latest update of the extension, and also here you can check the link status of the PAN and Aadhaar card. Once you have put in both the details, you can view link status and it will tell you in case if it is or if it is not. Now one is linked and one is not. So here in case if it is not linked, this is what you'll have to do. Click on link Aadhaar, and here there are a few sets of instructions they have mentioned regarding when is the last date and what will be the fee in case if it is not linked, and as of now that you have to pay a ₹1000 fee for linking PAN and Aadhaar. When you make the fee payment, you have to click this, so better read that carefully. And also this is the exempted persons from the PAN and Aadhaar. Let's proceed. Once you proceed with the linking, you'll have to fill in the mobile number over here along with the other details. That's where you will get your OTP on the mobile, and it will proceed to the next page where you'll have to put the OTP that is come on your mobile, and thereafter you'll have to go to continue. Over here, proceed on income tax, the first tab, which will take you to the next page where you have to select the year and remember that 500 which I had mentioned on the starting page. Click on that and go further. Over here, it will give you the amount that you have to pay. Continue to the next page, and here you can select how you want to pay. There are different banks. If your bank is not there, you can go through payment gateway. Click on Canara Bank, and then you can click on the pay now tab once you have confirmed all the payment is correct. Here there are terms and conditions. Scroll to the bottom, agree to the terms and conditions, and then it will tell you to choose a payment option for 1000 rupees and other additional minor charges which will be taken. Once that is done, you will get the challan receipt. Here after 4 or 5 days, you can check the link Aadhaar card and it will tell you about the payment if it has been accepted. You click on continue, you will be directed to this page. Put in the details and click on link Aadhaar, and then you will be given again an OTP on your mobile. Put in those details and click on validate, and it will give you the details saying that your request has been approved and your Aadhaar PAN request has been sent to UDAI. These are the simple ways. Friends, hope this video was informative. Do share it with others if you all know someone going through this hassle of linking of PAN and Aadhaar card. Please do share this video with them so that it would be a great help. And for those of y'all who are visiting my channel for the very first time, welcome. And it's a request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you all do not miss on such useful hacks that I share on my channel. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hack.